It is time to uncover the shocking truth about the future of AI, as warned by tech visionary Elon Musk.
I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads, by a lot. Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
In this eye-opening video, we'll explore the dark possibilities and the urgent action we must take to prevent a disastrous outcome. Don't miss out on this jaw-dropping revelation about the potential consequences of unchecked AI advancement. As the world of artificial intelligence, or AI, rapidly expands and evolves, many advances are being made in the field that is both exciting and alarming. AI has a long history and has been used for various purposes, from military applications to innovative home systems. But as technology advances and becomes more complex, the potential for its use and misuse increases. Understanding the consequences of untamed AI advancements is crucial to ensuring the safety of humanity and the environment. AI often automates tasks, such as the machine learning algorithms that recognize objects or facial expressions. But as AI continues to be used for more complex tasks such as robotics and autonomous driving, it presents the potential for untamed advancements to be made in the future. For instance, AI might be used to create robots that are more intelligent than humans and can perform physical tasks faster and more efficiently. Additionally, AI could be used to develop autonomous systems that can make decisions independently without any human input. These advancements in AI could lead to the creation of robust systems that are intended to help us. The potential for misuse of untamed AI is a genuine concern. AI algorithms are being developed for various purposes. Some of these technologies could even be used for malicious purposes. For example, an adversarial AI system could be created to manipulate public opinion or even engage in cybercrime. Additionally, an AI system could be used to weaponize data or to develop surveillance systems that could be used to collect information on people without their knowledge or consent. As AI advances, it will be essential to ensure the safe handling of these systems to avoid any misuse or abuse. In addition to the potential for misuse, there are other concerns related to AI advancements. AI systems can be used to make predictions about the future, and these predictions could lead to unintended consequences. For example, AI could be used to predict the future stock market, which could lead to instability and potential unethical practices. Additionally, AI systems could be used for purposes such as predicting consumer behavior or forecasting the outcome of events. These predictions could have unintended consequences, such as foreseeing the outcome of elections or wars. When discussing the implications of untamed AI advancements, it is essential to consider these potential risks. One aspect of threats relevant to AI is potential misuse by humans, but things get very dark when we think about what AI can do on its own. The story takes an exciting turn when we see how many intelligent students are ending up in AI and computer science. Elon Musk once said that he asked his cousin in Berkeley how many brilliant students end up in the field of computer science, and his reply was, all of them. Elon Musk claimed that many AI experts believe that they know everything about what they create in artificial intelligence. His exact words were,
Well, the biggest issue I see with so-called AI experts is that they think they know more than they do. And they think they're smarter than they actually are.
He added, this tends to plague many smart people. They define themselves by their intelligence, and they don't like the idea that a machine can be way smarter than them, so they discount the idea, which is fundamentally flawed. This is the wishful thinking situation. Musk's point was that AI experts must evaluate the limits of their creation. He claimed that most experts he has come across are proud of what they have achieved in their field, but they have no idea what it could possibly lead to. Musk claimed, I have exposure to the very cutting-edge AI, and I think people should really be concerned about it. I keep sounding the alarm bell, but until people see robots killing people, they don't know how to react because it seems so ethereal. As advancements in AI and robotics continue to soar, so do concerns about the potential threat they pose to humanity. The idea of machines surpassing a human intelligence and capabilities, also known as superintelligence, is a chilling prospect. These intelligent machines could make decisions that harm humans, whether intentionally or unintentionally. Elon Musk said, I am very close to cutting-edge AI, and it scares the hell out of me. It is capable of vastly more than anyone knows, and the rate of improvement is exponential. The whole situation feels like we are going against nature. Naturally, intelligence is concentrated in humans. However, we are now rushing to create a completely different entity that will become more intelligent than humans and have powers that we can't even imagine. To support this argument, here is what Elon Musk said. "It feels like we are the biological bootloader of AI effectively. We are building it, and then we are building progressively greater intelligence, and the percentage of intelligence that is not human is increasing. And eventually, we will represent only a small percentage of intelligence." Musk has frequently warned the public about the potential risks of AI and has called for governments to start regulating the technology. In a 2017 interview, Musk described AI as summoning the demon and said that it was the most serious threat to the survival of the human race. He argued that AI could become so advanced that it could outwit humans in the future and can make decisions that would be dangerous for society. Musk has also pointed out the need for AI to be developed safely. He claimed in a speech at the National Governors Association conference, "We need to make sure the advent of digital superintelligence is one which is symbiotic with humanity." He added, "I think by the time we are reactive in AI regulation, it'll be too late." Governments worldwide are already responding to the increasing prevalence of AI by introducing regulations, especially in the domains of security and privacy. These regulations can take the form of laws, rulings, and guidelines to protect citizens from potential abuses of technology. Data privacy is one of the critical areas of regulation regarding AI. AI systems often collect and store large amounts of data related to user behaviors and preferences, which can provide valuable insights into the customer's wants and needs. However, without proper oversight, this data can be mishandled and abused, potentially detrimental to citizens and businesses. Another important area of regulation is algorithmic bias. These systems are only as good as the data they are fed. If the data is biased, the AI can reflect that bias. Governments need to develop measures that ensure the data collected by AI systems is unbiased, ensuring that AI does not discriminate against certain groups of people. Additionally, ethical guidelines are necessary to ensure that AI is used for society's benefit, not just for corporate gain. AI systems should be designed to minimize the risk of unintended consequences, and ethical guidelines should be developed to govern how AI is used and decisions are made. To help prevent the potential risks of AI, Musk has suggested that governments should focus on developing policies that encourage cooperation between researchers and the public. Musk has also said that AI developers should be obligated to share their results and protocols with the public, and that there should be greater transparency in developing AI technology. While talking about his own AI company, he claimed, "The intent with OpenAI is to democratize AI power." There is a quote that I love from Lord Acton. He was the guy that came up with "power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely," which is the freedom consists of distribution of power and despotism in its concentration. He added, "I think we have this incredible power of AI that would not be concentrated in the hands of a few and potentially lead to a world that we don't want." Elon Musk believes that if humanity decides that creating digital superintelligence is the right way, we must proceed cautiously. By the way, if you're enjoying this content so far, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Imagine a world where machines work alongside us, improving our lives in ways we never thought possible. A world where we can spend our time on the things that truly matter, while machines can handle mundane tasks. This utopia is within our reach, but only if we take the necessary precautions to ensure that AI serves humanity and not the other way around. The first step towards a safe AI future is prioritizing transparency and accountability. We must ensure that the decision-making process of these machines is understandable and explainable to humans. This way we can detect and prevent any harmful actions before they occur. Another important measure is to establish a solid ethical framework for AI development. This includes ensuring that machines are programmed to prioritize human well-being and that they are not used to harm or exploit people. Additionally, we must invest in research and development to create a robust AI safety net. This includes developing methods to shut down or control AI systems that behave in unexpected or dangerous ways. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.